make it rain when the sun is hot. I wish I had some time just to kill the day, and I wish I had enough for every day like I to pay. Some days you lose, you win, and the bar is as high as the times you're in. So I jump back in where I learned to swim, try to keep my head above it the best I can. That's why here I am, waiting for this storm to pass me by. And that's the sound of sunshine coming down. Let me hear you sing it now. That's the sound of sunshine coming down. How you feeling tonight, y'all? So, 3.5 years ago I was on tour and my appendix ruptured in the middle of the tour, and I came very close to dying. And when I was in the hospital, I went to the window every day to see if the sun was shining. If the sun was shining, I'd say, oh my God, it's gonna be such a great day. I'm gonna heal up. I'd lean into the window and I'd just be, oh God, it feels so good. I'd just soak up all the vitamin D from the sun. And if the sun wasn't shining, then I'd reach for the vitamin M. And that kind of vitamin M. Music! I put my headphones on and I take myself somewhere where it's known to be sunny 365 days of the year. Vancouver.